Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm giving you an update number 2 to my hashtag Colourpan project. If you would like to see what progress I made during this last month, just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so in this project, it is a project that was started by Misty Pans. This is a Colourpop 4th Ray Beauty and Soul product. And I did a couple of palettes in here for myself, along with a blush, a bronzer, and a couple of eyeliners. So far on my It's My Pleasure palette, this is my first palette I had in here. I used this an additional couple of times. This is one of my favorite Colourpop palettes. So this brought my total up to 7 usage. I wanted to get 20 usages out of this, so I'm at 7 right now. And then the next one is my Bambi palette, and this looks like this. Bambi I used an additional 3 times, so it brought my total up to 6. And then my Colourpop blush and papaya, I used an additional 2 times, so it brought my total up to number 5. Now on the Bambi palette, I wanted to use it 10 times, so I'm up to 6. And on the papaya blush, I wanted to use this 20 times, so I'm up to 5. Now on my Soul bronzer, I wanted to try to hit pan on this. So that's what it looks like now. It got a dip still going in it. I used it an additional 3 times, so it's up to 12 usages on that. So making good progress on that as well. And then on my eyeliners and Extra Frosting, Amethyst Hour, Peach Fuzz, and Icebreaker, I have not used any of these this month. So I am putting this out in front of me so I can make sure I get some more good usage out of that. But overall, everything's going pretty good. So that is my update number 2 for my hashtag Colourpan project. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.